Okay, let's go. I'm here in Walla Walla, and the aroma coming from the food truck in front of the Burwood Brewery is making my mouth water. But here, WTF means a little something different. All right, Nathan, WTH is WTF, eat it.
That's up for interpretation.
One of the staples of the menu is the cowboy poutine, featuring amazing Washington potatoes and a little something special called cowboy candy, or candied jalapenos. Oh my gosh,
Yeah,
the layers in this thing.
Yeah, you got to get under there a little
Wow.
bit. So these are, local Washington potatoes out of the Tri-Cities. But then of course I've got to put a ton of smoked brisket on top of it, and then the cowboy candy and green onion. Cheers, bro.
Oh, cheers. Look at that.
If that doesn't scream for beer.
I got the cowboy candy quick on where it was. That's such a great idea. That's a real surprise.
Yeah.
The brisket is so smoky and so tender. Let's see if the cowboy poutine goes over with the patrons at Burwood Brewery.
I'm salivating right now.
Are you already?
Can I try it?
He wants to try it.
That was really good.
It's awesome.
That's fun,
That
huh?
changes my perspective of poutine.
It burns so good.
It burns so good.
I got a little sweet with a little burn afterwards.
I like how the gravy's not just the traditional kind of white sausagey gravy.
Local potatoes, not too greasy, a little skim.
Super crispy. I like that they're like string fries, and the brisket's awesome.
Yeah, it's great.
It's delicious.
Can't stop me.